Your stepsister got stuck in a washing machine from the waist up, as if that's ever happened to anyone, but okay. Do you A. Instantly text, "Choo choo, we're doing train at my house, y'all," in your group chat? B. Instantly remember the similar situation happening when your uncle got stuck while he was fixing a car engine, so you start unzipping your pants. C. Start shooting photos of her backyard, uploading them to her OnlyFans account that you had made earlier, stating your bank account as the one for the deposits. Answer: some of your friends in the group chat are kind of strange, so you wouldn't want them turning the option A into something weird. And while you cherish the moments you had spent with your uncle, you also remember that the option B once before cost your uncle his marriage and almost got you into prison. However, option C will make you at least $20 while making your stepsister's career skyrocket in certain areas of cinematography. Thank you for playing, and until the next episode,
Stay naughty.
stay off your relatives.